about the existence of assessments, either formative or summative. Formative assessment talks about assessments that are ongoing in the learning process. I teach something, I assess with an activity, with a set of questions, with some matching activities, with filling in the blanks, with matching pairs, etc. So any activity that I do that helps me assess the content that I've just taught. We go through, or we do a cycle in learning and in teaching, which is called teach, test, teach, test, teach, test. And this is ongoing formative assessment. So let's see if we find any activities in the material that can be used for any type of assessment, including formative assessment. So the first one says top mark. Yes, I can see a lot of that in the material on most pages. There are activities that can be used as assessments of content intake, so of the content, or to develop the skills. For example, an exercise where students have to write questions for an interview, etc. So do we find that? Yes, we find some comprehension questions about the text. So we are testing comprehension there. We find back-to-back dictations. We are testing pronunciation. This is an English class. Remember, we are testing skills as well. So speaking in that case here, verbs, we're testing grammar to see if they can recognize the verbs. We can also use these to test question formation. Speaking, so freer activities, speaking, usage of the verb in the first person, third person, etc. Writing, we can test some writing here. So the teacher can actually take this material and turn it into an assessment and say, okay, I'm going to assess different things. I'm going to assess grammar, vocabulary. I'm going to assess speaking, writing, question formation, pronunciation, etc. So it's not a fail. It's not a pass because we see a lot of opportunities. It would be a top mark.